Hey guys, good night, good day. I want to show you a campaign that I just launched on Apollo. So, just for context, I'm still using Apollo mostly for the contacts that they give. I'm mostly using instantly to send and most importantly to warm up. So, all the mailboxes that I have on Apollo, they're warmed up on instantly, and that's why I can get high open rates and high reply rates, right? Because if I would use Apollo by itself, it would be pretty bad. Apollo doesn't have any warm ups, and yeah, nowadays I don't necessarily advise to use them. I still advise sending through SendGrid, whether you're gonna send on Apollo or instantly. Now that this is clear, this is the email, and this part here is AI built. AI built this part on Persona here, so it's cool to see that. If you see my previous video, I built like 3 AI questions. By the way, the value of this is that this is 4,000 tech entrepreneurs, right? And AI wrote some lines at scale for each of these, and I'm going to send that to 4,000 entrepreneurs. Imagine the results once it sends. It's pretty amazing. So the variable here is like it's random. Cool to see that. I wrote that. It doesn't matter because this snippet will be replaced by this. It's cool to see that you've dedicated your career to making legal help accessible and supporting small businesses. It looks like this in an email. So you need to go in emails, you need to clear it here, and it looks like this. Manoj, it's cool to see that your expertise in technology and entrepreneurship aligns with the innovative work being done at Portal. I'd love to have you on my Founder Wisdom podcast to discuss your funding and growth plans for 2025. Charles Cormier, CEO. That's the first email. This one, I mean, it's kind of nice, but it's not amazing. The one that's following that is pretty great. I'm starting with the podcast intro, right? Um, this is the prompt here. I will invite this prospect to my podcast, and you will write blah blah blah. Here's the data. This list was built by Marina.ai. It's a cool source to get your leads. In one sentence, less than 20 words, do not start the first letter as capital. So this persona here, I connected my chat GPT, of course, and now I can prompt it, and then it will fill columns after columns, right? Um, this one is sort of basic, but the second one is quite amazing. I'm pitching my services directly. So they sort of ignore the podcast invitation. So I'm just going to pitch them my services, right? I'm always starting with a podcast nowadays because it really helps my open rates, right? And like, yeah, I can pitch them whatever I want once I get them on my podcast. It's a super scalable approach. Let us check this screenshot here. Yeah, the second platform, the second campaign here, it seems that you target, right? So that's very relevant for anyone watching this video. You're mentioning to your prospect that you know who they're targeting, right? So this is amazing. And then you should start a pod for this reason. So that is again AI fields. So we're mentioning who they target, and then we have a micro plan for them. If you're into SEO, you should write an article about XYZ. If you're an AdWords agency, you should start um, a YouTube remarketing campaign targeting youngsters watching this toy on YouTube. Yeah, you can be like really, really precise. If you're a SaaS, is like you should use or SaaS to track your monthly payroll and pay your employees 17% faster in the Philippines, for example. So AI can do all of that. It looks like this. This one, because on Apollo, I would have to sort of switch the emails, and I don't want to do that. So I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. It looks like this. It's quite amazing. So Stu, it seems that you target tech-savvy mortgage professionals, right? So that is this here, by the way. The stuff that you've seen in red. The ICP is this. It seems that you target tech savvy mortgage professionals. Well, that's pretty precise, right? And then um, you should start a podcast to discuss user experience strategies with mortgage professionals to enhance digital solutions in their industry. It's pretty long, sure, but it's pretty precise, right? And we can read a couple more. It seems that you target biotech company researchers. It seems that you target developers and decentralized app startups, or we can straight up go in the Persona app here and check it here. You should start a podcast to discuss legal strategy and marketing tips for small business owners to enhance growth. Quite simple. The prompts that I did here, I think it's less than 20 words. Yeah. Maybe next time I should try less than 15 words, but that's tough for an AI to fit and it might return a bunch of bugs, right? So I think this is pretty powerful. What do you guys think? Getting a bunch of leads, obviously, from these campaigns, and I think this is a high quality list. Let me know if you want it as well. It's 4,000 funded tech entrepreneurs. If you follow my newsletters, I've given this list to some of you. But yeah, it's pretty powerful. What we have in these lists, right, that is different from the Apollo list is the expertise, the profile summary, which is amazing. What else? What else? Yeah, job title, company description, that is quite amazing as well. So yeah, we can make like a lot with that data, right? We just feed that to AI, and AI makes a whole sense to it. We feed that to ChatGPT to be precise. So what do you guys think? If you need the prompt, you let me know. I also have the prompts for you. If you need like a quick discovery call and learn how I did this full stack, I mean, I sort of told you like 80% or as much as I could today in these quick videos. I'm going to make more videos of AI personalization that I send. I think I've done amazing, like AI personalization wise last year. You can go check. I have a full AI outreach masterclass on my YouTube. Just that my deliverability was shit last year. I fixed that. So I should have crazy results with this stack this year. This stack is not expensive, by the way. If you want me to detail the cost or help you build your own stack, you let me know. You send me a quick message. I'll be glad to be here.